I came to IUC already knowing what major I wanted to do, Earth, Energy and Sustainability. I was already really interested in the natural world and I really enjoy being outside, but also because of my worries about climate change, about the biodiversity crisis and pollution. And this is really something where I want to make a difference in this field.
In our major we have 3 tracks. The first track focuses on the living world, so plants and animals and how we can preserve those, how we can conserve those. The second track focuses on the non-living world. How can we combat climate change by looking, for example, at the landscape and at the environment, and how can we adapt to it? The third track brings humans into the picture and looks at how we can make sustainable choices, sustainable decisions that also involve local communities and don't let anybody behind.
What I like is all the group work we do together, but also that we go outside to actually collect data and do things with our hands. For example, in field methods, we collect soil samples or we stand in a river the entire day to take elevation measurements. And later on, we go inside with all the data we collected and we learn how to analyze it and how to interpret it and write a report about it together with our groups.
In our classes, you learn through experience. So it's not only sitting down, listening to a professor giving lectures. This major brings knowledge from different fields together, like ecology, geology, earth sciences, environmental sciences, but also fields like sociology, economics, and political sciences.
Another course I really enjoy is climate change. Here we really started with the basics, such as understanding wind patterns, but also predicting the weather by looking at the clouds. And next in this course we try to understand human impacts and human influences on those systems to understand what climate change is doing. And then finally we learn how to bring this scientific knowledge to politics and how politics can interpret the scientific knowledge and work with it.
Many of our students after LUC go into a master's program. That could be masters about natural sciences, but also something related to business or management. We see that many companies and governments need people that know something about sustainability. So for our graduates, there's a lot of jobs they can get into.